They say love is just a word until someone gives it meaning. But how do you really know if a man truly loves you? Some men might say the right things, but real love is shown through actions, not just words. In this video, I will share 30 undeniable signs that a man truly loves you. If he does these things, trust me, you mean the world to him. And make sure to watch until the end, because the last one is something most people don't notice, but it is the biggest sign of all. Sign 1, he prioritizes you. Sign 2, he respects you even in arguments. Sign 3, he supports your dreams. Sign 4, he protects you not just physically but emotionally too. Sign 5, he includes you in his life. Sign 6, he fights for you not against you. Sign 7, he loves you in actions not just words. Sign 8, he values your opinion. Sign 9, he shows affection in your love language. Sign 10, he apologizes and makes things right. Sign 11, he wants to grow with you. Sign 12, he misses you when you are not around. Sign 13, he defends you even when you are not around. Sign 14, he is proud to be with you. Sign 15, he loves you at your worst, not just your best. Sign 16, he stays loyal even when no one watching. Sign 17, he respects your boundaries. Sign 18, he makes an effort with your loved ones. Sign 19, he shows up when you need him. Sign 20, he is patient with you. Sign 21, he communicates instead of playing games. Sign 22, he appreciates the little things you do. Sign 23, he talks about the future with you. Sign 24, he apologizes without being forced. Sign 25, he remembers the little details. Sign 26, he is proud of you. Sign 27, he respects your independence. Sign 28, he is honest even when it is hard. Sign 29, he keeps his promises. Sign 30, he loves you on your worst days too. So if a man does these things for you, congratulations, you have found someone who truly loves you. But if he does not, maybe it is time to rethink the relationship. Let me know in the comments which of these signs you have noticed in your partner. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications.